Ramadan, the month of good deeds, encapsulates the essence of this sacred month in Islam. Ramadan is not merely a period of fasting from dawn until sunset. It is a time when Muslims worldwide engage in acts of kindness, compassion, and charity. Throughout Ramadan, Muslims are encouraged to increase their good deeds and acts of worship. It is a month dedicated to spiritual reflection and self-improvement, where believers strive to strengthen their connection with Allah and deepen their faith. During Ramadan, Muslims are reminded of the importance of empathy and generosity towards others, especially those in need. It is a time to extend a helping hand to the less fortunate, share meals with neighbors and friends, and contribute to charitable causes. The month of Ramadan serves as a reminder of the blessings of giving and the rewards of selflessness. It is a time to embody the teachings of Islam by showing compassion towards others, fostering unity within communities, and spreading goodwill to all. Ramadan, the month of good deeds, invites Muslims to embrace the spirit of generosity and service, making the most of this blessed month to earn spiritual rewards and make a positive impact on the world around them.